Timmy is exhausted while Peter sits confidently sipping coffee. Bro, I've been grinding AI for a year. Classical ML, reinforcement learning, transformers, all of it, but I still don't feel good at anything. Wait, you still haven't specialized? Specialized? I thought I had to learn everything first. Haha, you just wasted a year. If you had focused on NLP, natural language processing, or CV, computer vision, you'd be pulling six figures by now. I think I just lost thousands of dollars. What if I told you that one simple mistake could cost you thousands of dollars in lost salaries, wasted time, and missed opportunities? Because I made that mistake, and I paid for it. Let me explain. When I first got into AI ML, I did what everyone else did. I wanted to learn everything. I jumped from NLP to computer vision, to GANs, to transformers, to diffusion models. It felt like I was making progress, but I wasn't. Because when it came time to apply for internships, I had no real expertise, just scattered knowledge across a bunch of different domains. And that's why I got rejected over and over. Meanwhile, the people who did specialized, they landed those sweet, sweet offers. If I had just focused on one thing, NLP, CV, anything, I could have landed an internship months or years earlier. And with just one internship, that's $20,000 to $30,000 of lost salary. And that's a conservative estimate. Here's what nobody tells you. Specialization isn't just about depth, it's about momentum. Once you specialize, a few things happen. One, you build real expertise faster. Instead of spreading yourself thin, you stack skills in one area. Two, your projects start to stand out. Instead of 10 random projects, you have a cohesive portfolio that actually signals deep understanding to a hiring manager. And three, recruiters start to take you more seriously because they're not looking for someone who dabbles. They're looking for someone that's going to impress their boss, the hiring manager. Think about it. If you're hiring for a computer vision role, would you rather pick the guy who has a bit of everything or the one who's built 5 solid CV projects and understands the top 5 to 10 impactful papers? The answer is obvious. So if I could go back, here's what I do instead. 1, pick a subfield early. NLP, CV, reinforcement learning, whatever excites you. 2nd, build 2 to 4 deep projects in that subfield. Make them good, make them public, and document your progress online. And 3, apply to internships ASAP because experience beats more coursework always. And here's the best part. You don't need to know everything to get started. All fields of AI are actually based on the same fundamentals: gradient descent, linear regression, and neural networks. Once you master the fundamentals, you're ready for projects. Right now you have 2 options. 1, keep jumping between topics and waste a year like I did. Or 2, specialize now and start getting paid for what you know. The choice is yours. And if you want to speed up the process, check out my video on how to learn ML like a genius and not waste time. It's gonna take time, so you want to be as efficient as possible. And as always, don't be a TensorFlow Timmy.